How to make a pot of lavender potpourri. Grow your own lavender. When the lavender is grown, you will be able to cut some of the flowering heads off for turning into potpourri. After cutting, lay the flowering heads on the table. Scatter the seeds. Holding the tip of the head, push your fingers down and scatter the little seeds into the old bowl. Move the bowl. When you have enough seeds, put the bowl to one side. Arrange the lavender-scented potpourri in the stylish bowl. Take the lavender seeds and scatter them around the bowl. Take some of the marbles and arrange them around the edge of the bowl. Set the bowl down in your desired place. Enjoy the lovely, relaxing scent of lavender. A pot of spicy lavender potpourri. Add the cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and orris root powder to a small bowl. Stir together. Add the essential lavender and bergamot oils. Using the tips of your fingers, rub the oils into the spices and orris root mixture, to coat the powdery ingredients. The oils should be mixed in completely with the dry ingredients. Add the dried lavender, lemon balm leaves, rosemary and thyme leaves to another bowl. Mix to combine. Tip the spice mix into the leaf mix. Stir to combine together. Transfer the potpourri mix to an airtight container. Set aside in a cool, dry, and dark place to infuse for 6 to 8 weeks. The linen cupboard is a good place, or a cupboard in a dry room of the house, not the bathroom or kitchen. Stir every few days or at least once a week, to help the ingredients to settle together properly. Remove from the storage place at the end of the setting time. Check that you're happy with the fragrance level. If not, let it sit for a week or more longer. If all is ready, it can be used. Tip the spicy lavender potpourri into a potpourri pot. Set out on a mantelpiece, shelf, or bookcase to waft its scent into the room. It is best kept high, as this avoids any curious children or pets from trying to eat it and helps the scent to fill the room better.